Minister, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs Manipur Sri T.H. Basantakumar Singh. Loinana Guest of Honor gi Famfam Lang the Lengshin Bigadoriba Sana Sri H. Gyan Prakash IAS Commissioner Education Government of Manipur Amadi Director of Education S Government of Manipur Sri L. Nandakumar Singh.
Ngasigi Dice member da Lengshin Bigadaba Board of Secondary Education Manipur Secretary Githau Pubiriba Mingoina Panjarabada Ikai Khomnachariba Dr. S. Mangijau Singh Controller of Examination Board of Secondary Education Manipur Gi Thau Pubiriba L. Mangi Singh Deputy Secretary Academic Board of Secondary Education da S. Jitalal Sharma Amadi Shri Irom Dalit Kumar Former Legal Advisor Board of Secondary Education Manipur Amadi Senior Advocate Manipur High Court Pusu Ngasi Dice the Langkat Piraknaba Nolok na Kaushinjari.
Ikai Khumna Jariba dignitaries sing asina Pampam Lang da Lengshin Bikrabatung da Ngasigi Tauramasibo Haudopo Oina Lengshin Biriba dignitaries sing na Mang da Taurang Tauzariba Sing Laba Mairasi Jukat Pinaba Nuluk Naning Sinjari.
With this, I request today's chief guest to lead the lamp lighting ceremony of this function along with all the dignitaries.
Tagachari Ngasi Board of Secondary Education Manipur na Chahi Yangkai Surakbaga Iroinana Lengshin Biriba dignitaries sing asibo Ikai Khumna Baucha Boina Sinja Langzariba Singi Maikaidigi Achamba Lengyan Beit Shamadi Buket Kudol Tamjaraga Ikai Khumna Bocha Nabagi Tanjadu Matang Lauzari.
And to do the honor, I request the official of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur to be on stage. Tagachari Ikai Khumnajari Singna Fomfom nangda lengshin bikrabatungda ngasi pangthokliba achamba khudol bukene chingba khutsinabigani Thagachari Thauram ki makha chotha zarakpo oina ngasi pangthokliba Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi sana fudokpa Golden Jubilee celebration asiga mari lainana Souvenir release tawbinabagidama ngasi gi famfam langda lengshin biribe kai khomna jariba Chief Guest na Souvenir release tawbinaba nolokna ningsingjari
In association with the Golden Jubilee celebration of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, I would like to request the dignitaries of today's function to release a souvenir. Thagachari Thoramakha Chatarapoina Ngasigi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Golden Jubilee celebration amadi annual prize distribution function lisingani kunithoi ga mari leinana calendar su release tawbinaba kaikumna jariba dignitary singda nolokna ningsing jari
ngakpigani ngasi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Golden Jubilee celebration amadi annual prize distribution function asga mari lainana Chief Guest Luching Biraga diary release tawbinaba nolokchari Thagachari Souvenir amadi diary release tawbikraba matung Chief Guest na calendar su release tawbinaba nolokchari
Thagachari ngasigi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Golden Jubilee celebration ga mari leinana taramno okpagi warol amadi nungi oba warol thambinaba Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Secretary gi Thopuriba ikai khumnachariba Dr. S. Mangichau Singh taramno okpagi warol thambinaba nuluk na hangachari.
First of all, I, on behalf of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur, would like to extend a very warm welcome to Honorable Chief Guest, Sri T.S. Pasanta Kumar Singh, Minister, Education, Law and Legislative Affairs, Manipur, Guest of Honor, Sri I.S. Gyan Prakash, I.S., Commissioner Education, S. Government of Manipur, Sri L. Nandakumar Singh, I.S., Director of Education S, Government of Manipur, President Sri Akham Joykumar Singh, Chairman, Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Presidium members Sri L. Mangi Singh, Controller of Examinations, Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Sri S. Jitelan Sharma, Deputy Secretary, Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Sri I. Lalit Kumar Singh, Senior Advocate and former Legal Advisor, Board of Secondary Education Manipur. I also heartily welcome board members, former Chairman, Secretaries, Controller of Examinations of the Board, retired and present employees of the Board of Secondary Education Manipur for joining this Golden Jubilee celebration and annual prize distribution function 2022. I again extend a very warm welcome to the top position holders and subject offers of the High School Living Certificate Examination 2022, donors, parents, teachers, and the students from different schools, invitees, and persons from print and electronic media. Next, again, on completion of 50 years of establishment of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, I would like to share some of the activities being undertaken and to be undertaken by the Board of Secondary Education Manipur. The Board of Secondary Education Manipur was established by an act of the Manipur Legislative Assembly in 1972 with the objective of improving the quality of education in the people of Manipur. The BSM started its activities under the guidance and leadership of late Sri T. Ibu Tombi Singh as the first chairman and late Sri B.S. Guha as the first secretary of the BSM. Since then, BSM had been rendering its 50 years of service to the people, particularly to the student community all over the state of Manipur in the field of secondary education. Besides conducting the first public examination, that is the High School Living Certificate Examination every year, the BSM prepares the curriculum and syllabus and textbooks for classes 9 and 10, prints textbooks for classes 1 to 10, prepares academic calendar to maintain a smooth and balanced education in schools, conducts training and orientation programs, question setting and evaluation workshops for teachers. The BSM also had adopted the scheme of continuous and comprehensive evaluation since 1993-94 in classes 9 and 10 in scholastic areas. This scheme was ambitious and given much importance in the NPE 1986 and Program of Action 1992. The introduction of this scheme has improved the pass percentage of the students, the attendance of students, and teacher-pupil relation too. Taking advantage of the revolution in computer technologies, the BSM started issuing computerized certificates from the High School Living Certificate Examination 1995, and also examination result processing was fully computerized from the High School Living Certificate Examination 1997. Also, the results of the High School Living Certificate Examination was made available on the internet from the High School Living Certificate 1997, and also marks of the candidates were printed on the marks. Photographs of the students were printed on the marks, attendances, and amicus from the High School Living Certificate 2004 using intelligent character recognition system, and also optical mark-based answer scripts was also introduced from the High School Living Certificate 2016. Now, the great challenge before us is the implementation of National Education Policy 2020. What is needed is the collective effort of the central and state governments, autonomous bodies, related departments, and all other stakeholders. Lack of effective education can prove to be detrimental to not only the student, but also the country's future. Hence, we wish successful implementation of NEP 2020 at the earliest. Educated people are the assets of a nation. They are the powerful tools for the economic growth and development. That is why Swami Vivekananda had rightly said, educate and raise the masses, and only then a nation and a state is possible. Once again, it is my pleasure to wish and gratefully remember and congratulate all those who have contributed, toiled, and sacrificed to make the BOSEM what is today. Thank you all.
Thagachari, Ikai Khumnajariba, Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki Secretary Thopuriba, Kai Khumnajariba, Dr. S. Mangijau Singh, Taram no Okpa Amadi, Nungi Obe Warol Tambirambagidamata. Thank you so much.
Ngasi, Thauram Masagida is the guest of honor in election Bigadaba, Mingoina Panjarabade Kai Khumnajariba, Sri L. Nandakumar Singh, IAS, Director of Education, Government of Manipur, Mafam Masida Yokshin Birakle Haibagi, Aikoida Pawama Birakle, Ikai Khumnajari Bu Stays the Lankat Birakna Banoluk Nakoshin Jari.
Thagachari, Ikai Khumnajariba, Director of Education as Government of Manipur, Sri L. Nandakumar Singh. Sanja Langzariba Singhi Maikaidigi, Achamba, Lengyan, Bechamade, Buket Kudol Tamjaraga, Ikai Khumnabucha Nabagi Tanjadu Matangalozari. Ngasigi Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki Golden Jubilee Celebration asada Chief Guest oina Chief Guest ki pampam langda Lingshin Biriba Ikai Khumnajariba Honorable Minister Education and Law and Legislative Affairs Manipur Ikai Khumnajariba Sri T.H. Basantakumar Singh ngasigi thauramasiga mari lenana wafam kharadang thambinaba nolukna nisingjari.
Good morning, everyone. I am Puno Kweng Kurumjari. First, I would like to pay my respects to the dignitaries seated on the dais. Firstly, the President of today's function, Shri Akam Joy Kumar Singh, former Associate Professor and Head of Department of Electronics, DMU, Chairman, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, Kai Khumnabuchari. Next, I would like to pay my respects to Sri H. Gyan Prakash, IAS, Commissioner Education, Government of Manipur, my old and good friend of mine from childhood friend, Kai Khumnabuchari. Next, I would like to pay my respects to Sri L. Nandakumar Singh, IAS, Director of Education S, Government of Manipur, Kai Khumnabuchari. and all the members who are seated on the dais, even though I am not mentioning everyone by name. My respects, Ikai Kumnabuchari, Punwapu, and everyone seated in front, all the officials of the Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, particularly the students, parents, and everyone, ladies and gentlemen. Ikai Kumnabuchari, Mayapuno Puaina, Kurumjari. Kasing Badi, Hojikse, Kwegi, immediate program, Ama, Honorable Chief Minister, na, Kanota Udna, Kwegi, Yam, Marueba, Nopok Tongana, Kanglagi, Dugumba, Bridge, Yam, historic Weba, Dugi, inauguration gi, ay, Satabaya, Dugumba, Ma, Laibana, ay, Kitang, Gana, ay, mayam de address to again, I request to Zobani, Mayam Nangakpigani. But Aina Heisening with the first of all, big congratulations to Board of Secondary Education on completing 50 years. Mayam Hauna Kubang to Community. It's a big milestone. It's a huge milestone because the Board of Secondary Education was established in 1972, the year when our state got statehood. Before that, we were a union territory. Aduna akoigi history ga akoigi lairiba state ki milestones hai batare masi note to wa ama khangminaba masi 1972 what all happened, the year the board was established. Aduna board se established it was the first year that the state was functioning as this thing as a full state. Adugi Chahid established Givani. Aduna this year, it's the 50th year. So huge congratulations to the board, all the officials and everyone who's working very hard to make it a very, efficient and functioning for the students particularly. We're all here today, the board, the government, commissioner, Directorate of Education, as a minister, it is for the benefit of the students. Students are the top priority. Students are the future of our society. You may be only 25% of the total population, but you are 100% of our future. So we have to look after you. Your interests are paramount. Student ki interest in aduna ngasi board ke sugumba 50th anniversary sida golden jubilee celebration sida aikoigi toppers students me amna si laktana ko myam ngasi phamina dana encourage the boy and the prizes and whatever certificates no the piri se atai ginate so that it becomes a stepping stone for the next career Noigi Lakador career Aduga Noina life the Noina achieve the again Kaliba target adu achieve the this will become a milestone. And always let us remember that class 10 exams quickly first competitive exam never koi life ki mayam punna state ki hoina Central Board of Education or CBSE or state ki board or akoi huzik ahan by exam mayam na competitive hoina akoi school ki manung the topper den nataba state ki oina toppers mein hum compete tauna raga where do I stand? Hello aduna very important milestone. Sida, Hauzik, you have performed well. That's why you're going to get prizes today. So take this as an encouragement. Yamna, sina stepping stone, never. Not the end, but it's the beginning. The beginning of your career. Aduga, one thing I just want to tell you, my beloved students, Nungshijarba Satra Satri Singh, Yamna, you are the heart and soul of what we are trying today to bring certain changes, positive changes in the education sector. You are at the center of what we are trying to bring, some changes in the state, in terms of education, all the officials, government officials, directorate, the boards, it takes positive change, it takes time, it takes effort. We all are making that effort sincerely. To, benefit you, the students. Not only that, I just want to say that when you move forward, there are two things I want you to be always careful. Point for students and guardians. Firstly, be very disciplined about your approach towards life, not only in studies but towards life. Because if you are a successful person, you will be a successful. You will have a successful career. Career manang IS officer oiro natraga, scientist oige haro natra engineer oige haro. Discipline yaw the DR. And in that process, soft skills, say hujikti 21st century city knowledge century ni hainari. So many things are coming. Artificial intelligence. Next 5 years the lakadori ba change se noina face to godori ba class 10 pass to raga. 12th class, then graduation, national education policy, and the world, the way the world is moving, speedy changes. Last 50 years the change in terms of speed of change. You should be very, very conscious, and you should be disciplined, and you have to be learning soft skills, teamwork, debating, how to community work. My arm say soft skills, communication skills, successful person. Learn soft skills. Be very careful about your mobile phone. Don't waste too much time on your mobile phones. It is very dangerous. So, I am useful gadget tuna muk negative or lakpiya aduna madusu yam section ba darkar lay hai nai noida. Restrict your time, use of anything. Sanabagisu timing lebatai, studies ki timing, mobile phone, nangi entertainment ki timing, mayam se loin lebatai, aduga yumda, domestic work to contribute to batai. So that daily good habits will bring discipline in your life and ultimately make you a successful person. Aduna aina yam the interactions yam thousanding mune adu. Unfortunately I have to go. Aduna mayam Punamak ngasi aina sida function sida I invite I thank the board from the bottom of my heart, very honestly and sincerely, and thank you all very much. And I hope you people, the students, all have great success in your future career. Thank you. Thagchari.
Thagchari kai khumna jariba Chief Guest ki Pampam Lang Lengshin Biriba Honorable Minister Sri T.H. Basantakumar Singh.
Masigaloina na ngasi Lengshin Biriba Dice Member Singda Momento KhutSem Tanjadu Lauzage ngasi gi Chief Guest oina Lengshin Biriba Sri Taunauzam Basantakumar Singh Honorable Minister Education Amadi Law and Legislative Affairs Manipur Amadi Guest of Honor Singh oina Lengshin Biriba Sri H. Gyan Prakash IAS Amadi Sri L. Nandakumar Singh IAS ta ngasi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Chairman su oibiriba Amadi Thauram asibu preside tawbiriba Sri Akham Joy Kumar Singh na khutsinabigani.
Kai khumna jariba Chairman Sri Akham Joy Kumar Singh dana Memento Kusinana Bagidamangta Secretary Dr. S. Mangijao.
Thagachari ngasida selection biriba Controller of Examination Deputy Secretary and Legal Advisor oy biriba singda sochamba khudol tambigani. Thauram asigi makha chatharakpa oina Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi donor oibiram bai kai khumna jariba sing laikhiraba singi mafam da chief guest na luching biraga laik katna bagi tanjadu lauzage.
Thauram makha chatharakpa oina Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi 50 years celebration ga mari leinana hanagi former chairman singdai kai khumnaba uchebo oina sinjalangzari basingi maikai digi achamba khudol tamjanabagi tanjadu matang lauzari. Former chairman oina hanbada lengshin biraknaba kauksinjari T. Ibotombi Singh. Mathangda L. Tomcha Singh. Mathangda E. Yaima Singh. Mathangda T.H. Nilamani Singh. Mathangda A.H. Chaudhuri Singh. A.H. Chaudhuri. Ikai khumnajariba former chairman sing asi mafam asida leibiragadi stage da lengkhat piraknaba nolokna ningsingjari.
Achamba khudol asi ngasi thauram asida guest of honor oina lengshin biriba Shri H. Gyan Prakash IAS Commissioner Education Government of Manipur na sinabigani. Mathangda kauksinjari T.H. Nilamali Singh. Mathangda T.S. Gangte. Mathangda P.R. Yankahau. Mathangda S. Kunjabihari Singh. Mathangda T. Tomba Singh. Former chairman ayhang napanjakriba former chairman sing asi mafam asida leibiragadi si salingsin biraknaba nolok na hanggatjari. Mathangda P.R. Yankahau. Mathangda T.I. Samungau Singh. Mathangda S. Navachandra Singh. Mathangda Dr. C.H. Jayanta Singh. Mathangda A. Sarat Kumar Sarma. Mathangda S. Budachandra Singh IAS. Mathangda W. Ipempishak Devi. Mathangda Dr. N. Kunjabihari Singh. Mathangda Dr. J. Suresh Babu IAS. Mathangda Lautokchari P. Dhanakumar Singh IPS. Mathangda H. Dilip Singh IAS. Mathangda Suman Singh IAS. Mathangda M. Lakshmi Kumar Singh IAS. Hauzik Faubada Mingoina Panjakriba Kai Kumnajariba Hanagi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Chairman oina Thaupu Biram Singna Mafam asida Laibi Bataraga di stage Lenkhat Birakna Banolok na Kausinjari. Mathangda Kausinjari Benit Joshi IAS. Mathangda Akham Joy Kumar Singh Associate Professor Danamanjuri University. Mathangda T.H. Kiran Kumar IAS. Mathangda L. Nandakumar Singh IAS amadi Akham Joy Kumar Singh Associate Professor DMU. Ayhang na panjakriba ikai khumnajariba hanagi former chairman Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi any representative leiragasu stage election biraknaba nolok na hanggatjari. Achamba khudol asi ngasi guest of honor oina lengshin biriba Shri H. Gyan Prakash IAS na KhutSem nabigani. Ikai khumnajariba former chairman Board of Secondary Education Manipur da achamba memento amadi lengyan khudol tamkhraba tungda mathangda lauthokjari. Mathangda Board of Secondary Education Manipur da Secretary oina thau pubiram basing acham thau pubiram basing gi mafam da chamba khudol tambagi tanja du lauzage.
ꯑꯍꯥꯟꯕꯗ ꯀꯧꯁꯤꯟꯖꯔꯤ B.S. ꯒꯨꯍꯥ, ꯃꯊꯪꯗ L. ꯆꯥꯎꯕ ꯁꯤꯡ, ꯃꯊꯪꯗ N. ꯀꯨꯟꯖꯃꯣꯍꯟ ꯁꯤꯡ, ꯃꯊꯪꯗ S. ꯅꯕꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ, ꯃꯊꯪꯗ L. ꯕꯨꯙꯤꯆꯟꯗ꯭ꯔ ꯁꯤꯡ, R. K. ꯔꯥꯙꯦꯁꯅꯥ ꯗꯦꯕꯤ, A. ꯁꯔꯠ ꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯔꯃ, P.H. ꯅꯟꯗꯀꯨꯃꯥꯔ ꯁꯔꯃ,
Mathangda L. Rajmohan Singh, Mathangda Dr. Chingambam Sarat, Mathangda Kaukachage Laishram Fulchan Maitei, Mathangda Akham Joy Kumar Singh, Associate Professor Dhanamanjuri University, Mathangda Dr. Chithong Mary Thomas, Mathangda Dr. S. Mangijau Singh. Ikai kumna jariba sing asida chamba khudo sing khutsinana bagidamakta ngasigi guest of honor oina langshin biriba Shri L. Nandakumar Singh IAS Director of Education as Government of Manipur bu nalukna hangachari.
Kai Kumnajariba Hanagi Secretary P.H. Nandakumar Sarma, former Secretary of Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Hanagi Secretary oina thopu biramba Kai Kumnajariba aihangna panjakriba Kai Kumnajariba sing asibo mafam asida leibiragadi stage lengshin biraknaba nolukna hangachari.
Mathangda Kausinjage Laishram Fulchan Maitei,
Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Hanagi Secretary gi thopu biramba Kai Kumnajariba Laishram Fulchan Maitei. Kai Kumnajariba Laishram Fulchan Maitei, Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Golden Jubilee Celebration ga mari leinana achamba lengyan amadi memento khudol tamjaraga ikai khumna bauchana begi tanjadu lauzari. Kai Kumnajariba Dr. Chithung Mary Thomas, successor of Secretary Board of Secondary Education Manipur. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi hanagi secretary gi thopu birambai Kai Kumnajariba Dr. Chithung Mary Thomas.
Mathangda Kausinjage ngasigi Tauramapu oina sulengshin biriba Chairman oina su thaupu biriba Shri Akham Joy Kumar Singh busu former Secretary oina thaupu biramba gi achamba khodola si laubina banolukna Kausinjari. Achamba khodola si lanthok pinabagidamakta Achamba Kudola Sitambina Bagidamakta Kai Kumnajariba, Ngasigi Guest of Honor in Election Biriba, Shri H. Gyan Prakash IAS, Commissioner of Education, Government of Manipur, Noluk Nahangachari.
थागतप फोंदोकचरी मथंगदा program akha chatharak poina hanagi controller of examination board of secondary education manipur gi thopubirambai kai khumna jari basingi ming amuktang hangachari ahanbada bc roy mathangda w tomchau singh l chauba singh s navachandra singh mathangda l budichandra singh mathangda l rasmohon singh mathangda m matum singh mathangda k Birachandra Singh, mathangda N.G. Ningthemton Singh, mathangda K. Tiken Singh, mathangda L. Fulchan Maitay, K. Tiken Singh, L. Mangi Singh. Kay kumnajari ba Singh ngasigi mafam asida laybiragadi si sa lengshin biraknaba nolong na hanggatjari.
Achamba kudol asi lantok pinaba amuka hananing singjari ngasigi guest of honor oina lengshin biriba Shri H. Gyan Prakash IAS Commissioner Education Government of Manipur bo.
Hanagi controller of examination ikay kumna jariba K. Tiken Singh. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Maikai dagi achamba lengyanamadi memento kudol tamjaraga ikay kumna bujari K. Tiken Singh. Kausinjari mathangda K. Birachandra Singh, Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur.
Thagachari Ozabu, Mathangda Kausinjage, L. Fulchan Maitay, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur gi Hana Controller of Examination oina Thaupu Biramba.
Kay kumna jariba L. Fulchan Maitay.
Thagachari ngasigi thauramasigi makhacha tharakpa oina Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Board Member Oi Biramba Singh Ming oina mathang hangachage.
Board Member Singhi Official person and representative Singh mathang lautuk chari ahanbada the Chairman BOSEM Manipur.
Mathang the lautuk chage the Chairman Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Director of Education S Manipur, Director of SCERT Manipur, Director of Industries Manipur, Director of Agriculture Manipur, Director of Medical Health Services, Principal Government Polytechnic Imphal, Principal DM College of Teachers Education Manipur, S. Rakesh Singh, Secretary, Manipur State Kala Academy Imphal, Sri Sharat Singh, Headmaster, SK Idol High School, Ngairangbam, Sri Eastern Light Sadang, Headmaster, Kamjong High School.
Any representative lairaga dese selection biraknaba noruk na hangachari. Mathangda Kausanjari Srimati A. Sangita Devi, Principal, TG Higher Secondary School. Mathangda Dr. S. Sokothang Hauke, Principal, More Higher Secondary School. Mathangda Dr. C.H. Silaramani, Principal, DM College of Arts. Sri L. Sadhananda Singh, Representative of Manipur Sahitya Parisat, Imphal. Professor C.H. Ibohal Maite, Director, Manipur Institute of Management. Father Sebastian Korotuparam, Principal Don Bosco College, Maram, Professor C.H. Priyoranjan Singh, MU Economics, Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, DM College of Science, Professor R.K. Chandrakumar Singh, DM College of Science, Sri C.H. Bimol Chan Singh, former Joint Director, Education S, Dr. T.H. Syamkhum, Churachandpur College, Dr. Laikhuram Ivungo Singh, Imphal College Amade, the Secretary, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur.
Achamba khudo singasi lanthok pinabagidamagta amuka hanna nings kausinjari Sri H. Gyan Prakash IAS Commissioner Education Government of Manipur bo naluk hangachari.
Kaikhumna Jariba Srimati A. Sangita Devi, Principal, TG Higher Secondary School. Kaikhumna Jariba Srimati A. Sangita Devi, Principal, TG Higher Secondary School da Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Maikai digi Achamba Lengyana Madi Memento Khudol Tamjarakai Kaikhumna Bauchari. Mathangda Kausinjari DM College of Arts ki Principal Dr. C.H. Silaramani. Kaikhumna Jariba Dr. C.H. Silaramani. Dr. C.H. Silaramani, Principal, DM College of Arts. Mathangda Kausinjari Dr. S. Sokhothang Hauke, Principal, More Higher Secondary School. Dr. S. Sokhothang Hauke. Thagachari Mathangda Professor C.H. Priyoranjan Singh, MU Economics. Kaikhumna Jariba Professor C.H. Priyoranjan Singh da Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Maikai digi Achamba Lengyan Diary Amadi Calendar Kudol Tamjaragai Kaikhumna Buchari.
Mathangda Kausinjage Professor C.H. Ibohol Maitai, Manipur Institute of Management, nominee of Manipur University.
Professor C.H. Ibohol Maitai, Manipur Institute of Management. Mathangda Kausinjari Dr. Laikhuram Ibungo Singh, Imphal College. Kaikhumna Jariba S.H. Bimol Chan Singh, former Joint Director, Education S. Mathangda Kausinjari Kaikhumna Jariba Sri Sarat Singh, Headmaster, SK Ideal High School, Ngairangbam. Kaikhumna Jariba Sri Sarat Singh, Headmaster, SK Ideal High School, Ngairangbam. Mathangda Kausinjari Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, DM College of Science. Kaikhumna Jariba Professor L. Hemchandra Singh, DM College of Science, Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Golden Jubilee Celebration ka mari lainana Achamba Lengyan Diary amadi Calendar Kudol Tamjaragai Kaikhumna Buchari.
Thagachari ngasigi guest of honor oina lengshin biriba Shri Hajgyan Prakash IAS puso Thauramasi makacha tharakpo oina ngasigi special invitees oina Dr. C.H. Priyaranjan Professor Manipur University na Thauramasi matangda tentakpo warol kharadang thambinaba nolok na kaushinjari
ngasigi yamna historic oiraba amasung yamna significant oiraba board ki golden jubilee celebration loine na tumgi yumbi oigidoriba aikhoi gi position holders sing masigi function asida dais election biriba ikai khunujariba guest of honor Aigi marup hajarage Gyan Prakash Nand Kumar adagi Chairman Joy Kumar Lalit Lunana election biriba board ki members sing aduga position holders sing adu makhoi ki parents sing yabiram ganen khalli aihakna yahama mukta da khurumjari board ki matang si yamna nostalgic oiba memory ama aingonda lejai maramdi jai gi marup nand kumar khoi khoisi assam board ki mamangai da metric ki probably we are the last oiram godrain khalle kaure asida so aduda ki di kano togre board asi state ki board oina lae matam da khoi yamna naha oirgasu board si lak matam sida a sense of history ama ai khoi matam dugi DM college gi khoi satro everything yamna nungai ki board sin chahi amani sum mathang position holder ke se law thorap ke se maram di kari gino ai bada Manipur si yamna fasaba literate tradition ama lai khoi gi koi ke script lejari bani puya lising amagi matak lejari bani history record tawrami bani literature cosmology karino leitabe every field da koi literate tradition lerami adubu British sang lava kadadania koi na probably 1895 tara kaino ja Jonaston si atopa maming am tawre harga Jonaston school na ba school oidori bani 1909 the ahama metric batch thorkadori bani adegi 1930 the biga thorkadori na hijariba and formal education ja khoida India de kidi khari late oiba but ekoi ki script is one of the 14 living haibetare masing khar controversial were su India da seasonary go script singi matungda manungda khoi gi maitai me exe amani. So we are a state and we are a community which has a rich intellectual, academic, literate tradition leiba adugma state and community ni Manipur se. Ekoi ki satra satri sing ekoi si academic bent of mind ma yamna fasana lei maramasina Manipur gi citizens sing na India ki mapanta Thokiba matamda aikhoigi board leijadringai matam Manipur University laktari matam aikhoigi satra singana singna always somewhere or the other maduda university dut mahakna first tare maduda mahakna first tare matriculation da mahakna Assam ga pulli ba chawra Assam whole notice reason gi matriculation gi madugi matamda khuje position lep khibagi kayani leiri se kayamugam competitive oiram ge haibada Assam ki board ki topper se oine na bagi damakta matam da Assamese macha Bengali macha da topper se pigalli ma amani gi wafam ni na kai bagi rumor lai badagi Brazamani Mukherjee Habrakar, engineer, mumming sa topper oina pain own give me kind of coin howling at Tazi first top sutoki. So we have that tradition. Top to by academic Tamasiki tradition. I don't see just na topper Gidamakta Ikuna, Kanutok Madugi tradition though. Maduni, I quite were achievers, especially in academics. Music India, abroad, the best universities, Manipuri Singna, in different walks of life, scientists, doctors, in the best medical institutions, in the best engineering colleges. We are good in academics. Maduni, 25 position holders sing, represent Tauriba Asemi. So that we are celebrating the literate tradition and the academic achievements of our state. Aduninai Tamjage. Aduda board ki role si 50 years sida quite a distinct board ki role si kaino hai board asi as an academic institution exists the we identify it as an academic institution. Government ki office mo oidana sarkar no autonomy CP dana interfere to dana khotpagi mami tarak tabay bise. It is the contribution of all those secretaries, chairmen, ngasi ay honor to jigi miyam to makoy na board ki autonomy si thaman ki bani hay bise koy na ay na historic koy hajari si mo do mak to do magnamdi even ay koy ki IS officers sing na chairman si oira hawda board ki magi own value systems aduga board ki own magi image sina la iba akoy say akoy ki Dilip Lami Radha I mean some of the best akoy ki civil servants in the chairman oira mamatam da su they kept the tradition of the board masini 50 years ta akoy ki board sigi achievement amsumagi sanctity education institution amo oina kayam thajar ke haibeda yes there are marakta some wayward incidents did happen but 99% the board has been a good institution. Government kadai bak thajar ke if I remember government ki recruitment amada board na written examinations Sinvi Ukai I think there was an incident. This is how much MPSC ki problem la matam da kakase. So this is the nature of our board from which na khoina pass out tawri base. Now I kashaja ningai laite we are celebrating a golden jubilee of formal education gi phajaba pillar ma lerpagi madugi celebration ding mutang na hajari se. But what about young people like you? You are position holders na koi ki parents ki na koi ki laikai gi na koi ki school singi. Everybody has high expectations of you. Na koi kari wera kadagi hai sing we wish you all the best. But amakatang de hajaninge matriculation se asuk matik luna launa kare as if nangi future se matric the position lepas na madun oire kana khanar pagi mo ngabad lakwa se I think that is not healthy. Kari igno your future is not at the matriculation. Matriculation did nangi identity the loigre. Madi position holder ne haigra forever throughout your life nang position holder oyumatamda among your friends, family you'll be marked. But how you become later on in life and the achievement karino havididi, it will be determined by your future academic career, wherever you are, medicine, engineer, so now quite a responsibility see you have to keep up those expectations of the people, expectations of your family, expectations of your friends. Maduni, Madu keep up though as the guest of chief guest na habi remote mana have discipline, perseverance review. Oh, adubu last time tak hajaninge mathangi chahi ani se na khoigi 11 12 this is the most crucial oiba na khoigi academic life ki na khoigi tungi profession na khoi na kari bare kadi ga haibedo 11 12 sidane but nobody seems to care to help the class topper ere haibidi kana suta boi tadu boi to metric ki amna henna pi ba, but work also equally for your 12th standard. 12th standard sida na khoi ki parents sing na pirak pressure nang di doctor wagi damni nang di civil servant wagi damni na high na chingba madu ki pressure me am to listen to them, but it's time na khoi na 12th class lo ko matam ti my career is this haibedo na khoi na lecture ga dawni. But the beauty of modern times sikari na haibeda ai khoi ki own judgment se adu hong hong lai pane ai doctor ni jang ga doctor oi de si yaw doctor oi re su ko na career hong pa yawi, because you are not satisfied with being a doctor. I think they are doctors. I don't like it. I will say, because the aim of life is what? To do what you want and what you enjoy. So na peer pressure, family pressure, be yourself and pursue your passion. Passion of the Tokyo. IS the IIT with Tamgui Tamuragi engineer the Mathore Rise Power. They are not satisfied with being an engineer. These things happen, which is very frustrating. Now choose your career properly, but be ready also. Nang Pamaktra Kandra shift the Utavani, which is more pleasing to you. Aduna Chief goes na multitasking nahakse. At any moment of time, I can switch my career. I will wakalum the Tambiu. Be happy, achieve and pursue your passion, I will say. I am sure this is the message that all of Manipur wants to give you toppers. Congratulations once again. Thank you, ladies and gentlemen.
Thagachari, Ikai Khumnanjari ba Dr. C.H. Priyoranjan, Professor, Manipur University. Mamalyam laba wafam kya thambirambagidamagda. Once again, thank you so much.
Thauramasigi makha chatharakpoina Lisangani kungani thoida high school living certificate examination da makok mathang tarakraba top 10 gi mahiroi shingda Board of Secondary Education Manipur amadi pricing donut tawbirakpa donor singi maike dige achamba khudau sing tamnabagi tanja adu lauzage. Ahanbada Board of Secondary Education Manipur na lanthok pigadaba achamba khudau sing hana khutsina bigani.
Ten position da ahanbada kausinjari.
Ngakpigani
Ahanbada first position Rahul Laishram, son of L. Prem Kumar Singh and L. Sanahanbi Devi, Catholic School, Kanchipur. Mahang na fangkiba mark na 586. Rahul Laishram, son of L. Prem Kumar Singh and L. Sanahanbi Devi.
Mana silanthok pinabagidamagta Shri H. Gyan Prakash, IAS Commissioner Education, Government of Manipur bu nolukchari.
Catholic School, Kanchipur gi Mahiroi Rahul Laishram, son of L. Prem Kumar Singh and L. Sanahanbi Devi. He secured 586 mark. Out of 600, he secured 586.
Mathangda kausinjage second position gi mafam kaliba Tanik Stongbram, daughter of T. Robinson Amadi T. Punam Devi. Heritage Convent Uripok mahakna fangkiba mark 585.
Any representative lairagadi says a lengkat piraknaba noluk na hangachari. The next Tongbram, daughter of T. Robinson and T. Punam Devi, and C secure 585 mark out of 600. Second position the Nongmaithem Dhanajit Singh, son of N. Somorendro Singh and K. Kripamayi Devi, Heritage Convent Uripok. Second position the mathang da su amuko khochari Nongmaithem Dhanajit, son of L. N. Somarendra Singh and K. Kripamayi Devi, Heritage Convent Uripok.
Thagachari, third position gi mafam kalliba Jasia Khwairakpam, daughter of K.H. Hilary Singh amadi R.K. Bhanishana Devi, Ratan Kumar Memorial School Kwakaithel mahakna fangkiba mark na 5,584.
Third position the Jasia Khwairakpam, daughter of K.H. Hilary Singh and R.K. Bhanisana Devi, Ratan Kumar Memorial School Kwakaithel. She secured 584 marks out of 600.
Ahum Shubha position asida Menaka Huidrom, daughter of I. Shamo Singh and H. Jamuna Devi of Eureka Academy Thaunawzam, and she secured 584 marks out of 600.
Third position gi mafam kaliba Menaka Huidrom, daughter of I. Syamo Singh and H. Jamuna Devi of Eureka Academy Thaunawzam. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi maikai digi achamba khudol tamjaraga ikai khumna bujjari. Thagachari
Shri H. Gyan Prakash, IAS Commissioner Education as Mari Shubha position da Asapriya Nongthongbam, daughter of N. Mohindro amadi C.H. Amita, Tiny Tots Unique School Dulalan, mahangna fangkiba mark na 581. Achamba khudol asi tambina bagidamagta nga sige guest of honor in election biriba Shri L. Nandakumar Singh, IAS Director of Education Espo, naluk na hangachari.
Fourth position Asa Priya Nongthombam, daughter of N. Mohindro and C.H. Amita of Tiny Tots Unique School Dulalan, and she secured 581 marks out of 600. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi maikai degi achamba khudol tamjaraga kai khumna bujjari Asapriya Nongthombam, daughter of N. Mohindro Singh and C.H. Amita.
Mangasuba position da Geneva Kangembam, daughter of K.H. Vidyachandra and K.H. Janeshwari. B.K. Golden Academy Kumbi, Mahana Funkiba mark na 580.
B.K. Golden Academy Kumbigi Mahiroi, Geneva Kangembam, daughter of K.H. Vidyachandra and K.H. Janeshwari. Any representative Leragadi says a Lenkat Piraknaba Nolok Nahangachari. Lagtre Haina Lauzaraga, 6th position Tripajita Laishram, daughter of Dr. L. Deepak Kumar and Ranjita Thaudam. Little Flower School, Imphal.
Mahagna Funkiba mark na 579.
Little Flower School, Imphal Mahiroi Tripajita Laishram, daughter of Dr. L. Deepak Kumar and Ranjita Thaudam.
Thagachari, Taret Shuba position gi Mafamda, Carolina Yumnam, daughter of Y. Dhanabir Amadi S. Ahilabai, Little Flower School, Imphal, Mahagna Funkiba Magna 578.
Little Flower School, Imphal Mahiroi, Carolina Yumnam, daughter of Y. Dhanabir and S. Ahilabai. And C secure 578 marks out of 600. Thagachari Kaikumnajariba Sri L. Nandakumar Singh, IAS, Director of Education S.
Nipan Suba position gi Mafamda, William Maibam, son of M. Dilip Kumar Amadi M. Dhaneshwari, St. Joseph Higher Secondary School, Imphal, Mahagna Funkiba Magna 577. Achamba Kudol Silantok Pinapagidamakta, Ngasigi, Thauramasigi, Chairman Oina Lengshin Biriba, Sri Akam Joy Kumar Singh Bu, Noluk na Kausenjari.
8th position da St. Joseph Higher Secondary School gi Mahiroi, William Maivam, son of M. Dilip Kumar and M. Dhaneshwari. Any representative Leragadi states da Lengkat Piraknaba Noluk Nahangachari.
Thagachari, Mathangda, 8th position gi Mafamda, Heritage Convent, Uripok ki, Katrimayum Rajkiran, son of K.S. Brojan Amaditi Santibala, Mahagna Funkiba mark 577.
8th position da Koksinjari Heritage Convent, Uripoki, Khetramayum Raskiran, son of Khetramayum Brojan and T. Santibala, and he secured 577 marks out of 600.
Kanagumba representative Mafamasida Laibiragasu, Achamba Kudolasi, Laubinaba, Noluk Kausinjari.
Mathangda 8th position da Laibiriba Sanatombi Oriental English School, Kumbigi, Mahiroi, Moirangthem Rex Singh, son of M. Bogel Amadi, M. Sunibala. Khetramayum Raskiran, son of Khetramayum Brojan and T. Santibala, Heritage Convent, Uripok. and he secured 577 marks out of 600.
Moirangtem Rex Singh, son of M. Bogel and M. Sunibala of Sanatombi Oriental English School, Kumbi, he secured 577 out of 600.
Board of Secondary Education, Manipur gi Maikidigi, Achamba Khudol Tamjari, Moirangthem Rex Singh, son of M. Bogel and M. Sunibala.
Mathangda Nipan Suba Position da Sabira Begum, daughter of M.D. Janab Khan Amadi Nurjahan Begum. Nirmalaba School, Imphal, Mahangna Fangkiba mark 577.
8. Nipan Suba Position da Nirmalaba School, Imphal gi Mahiroi, Sabira Begum, daughter of M.D. Janab Khan and Nur Hazan Begum. And C secure 577 mark out of 600.
Thagachari Shri Akham Joy Kumar Singh, Chairman, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Mapal Suba Position da Mayang Lambam Shania Devi, daughter of M. Gauranityal and M. Shyama Devi of Padmaratna English School, Kakching. Mahang na Fangkipa mark na 576. Achamba Khudol Silantok Pinabagidamagta nga Sigidai Selection Biriba, Dr. S. Mangijau Singh, Secretary of Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, Noluk na Hangachari.
Nine Position da Padma Ratna English School, Kakchingi, Mahiroi, Mayanglambam Sanya Devi, daughter of M. Gauranityai and M. Shyama Devi. And C secure 576 mark out of 600. Nine Position da Mathangda Century Sapam Swati Devi, daughter of S. Sitoljit and S. Budhimati. She is a student of Little Flower School, Imphal, and she secure 576 mark out of 600. Little Flower School, Imphal gi Sapam Swati Devi, daughter of S. Sitoljit and S. Budhimati.
Thagachari Tarasuba Position da Anji Sana Longjam, daughter of L. Maimu and L. Lata, the Comprehensive School, Oinam, Mahangna Fangkiba mark na 575.
Tarasuba Position da The Comprehensive School, Oinam gi Mahiroi, Anji Sana Longjam, daughter of L. Maimu and L. Lata, and she secure 575 mark out of 600. Board of Secondary Education, Manipur gi Maikai Digi, Achamba khudol tamjaraga ikai khumnabu chari.
Mathangda tarasuba position da Sorok Khaibam Thoihenba son of S. Mohan and S. Babita Devi, Ratan Kumar Memorial School, Mahakna Fangkiba Magna 575.
Ratan Kumar Memorial School gi mahiroi Sorokhaibam Thoihenba, son of S. Mohan and S. Babita Devi, and he secured 575 mark out of 600. Mathangda kausinjari tarasuba position da Cinderella Moirangthem, daughter of M. Ingobi and Ketrumayum Sharmila, Sacred Heart School Yairipo, and she secured 575 mark out of 600. Cinderella Moirangthem. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Maikai digi certificate, memento, calendar, diary khudol tamjaraga ikai khumnabu chari. Tarashiba position da Cinderella Moirangthem, daughter of M. Ingobi and Ketrumayum Sarmila. Mathangda kausinjari tarasuba position da Little Flower School Manipur gi Mongzam Khelina Devi, daughter of M. Basanta and A. Rita Devi. Kausinjari Little Flower School Imphal gi mahiroi Mongzam Khelina Devi, daughter of M. Basanta and A. Rita Devi.
Thagachari Dr. S. Mangijau Singh, Secretary, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Mathangda Elementary Manipuri subject asigi subject topper oina Catholic School Kanchipur gi Mahairoi Kabonlu Longmai Dajarop Longmai Ratan Kabui and Nila Rongmai Bu stage ta kausinjari. Achamba khudol asi tambina bagidamakta ngasigdai selection biriba Shri L. Mangi Singh, Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur bu noluk na kausinjari.
The Board of Secondary Education Manipur instituted the award in 2013 to encourage students whose mother tongue is not Manipuri but who offer elementary Manipuri. The award consisting of a silver medal, a cash award of 5,000 and a citation.
Thagachari Shri L. Mangi Singh, Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. थौरम असगी मखा चथजरकप ओइना Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki retired employees sing da achamba khodol tamba ki tanja du lauzage ngasi thauram asida mafam asida retired employees of the board lengshin bidiba singna stage ta lengkhat piraktuna achamba khodol asi laubina ba noluk na kausinjari Amuka hananingsing jage Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki thaugai kaya pubiramba employees singna stage ta lengkhat piraktuna achamba khodol sing asi laubina ba noluk na kausinjari
Ahanbada kausinjari PH Nandakumar Sharma. Thabagtagi potharaba employees of the board po hikai khumna ba uchanabagi tanja du lauzari ahanbada PH Nandakumar Sharma. Achamba khodol asi pibinabagi damangta hikai khumna chariba
Achamba khodol asi khutsinanabagi damakta ngasigi thauram asi puprusai tawbiriba Shri Akham Joy Kumar Singh bu noluk na hangachari
Dr. S. Manipur Secretary.
Mathangda kausinjari Joint Secretary I Gunamani. Joint Secretary I Gunamani. Joint Secretary I Gunamani. Mathangda Deputy Secretary Mangi. Kai khumna jariba Deputy Secretary Dr. Mangi. Kai khumna jariba Deputy Dr. S. Mangida Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki maikai digi achamba lengyan khudol tamjaraga kai khumna butjari mathangda Deputy Secretary A. Nava. Kai khumna jariba Deputy Secretary A. Nava.
Thagachari Shri Akham Joy Kumar Singh Mathangda Kausinjari
Kai khumna jariba K. Birachandra Controller of Examination.
Achamba khodol asi tambina bagidamakta ngasigi thauram asida Chief Guest of Honor oina lengshin biriba Shri L. Nandakumar Singh IAS Director of Education banoluk na hangachari
Mathangda ikai khumna jariba R.K. Jitendrajit Deputy Secretary. Thagachari mathangda ikai khumnajariba L. Premchand, Deputy Secretary. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi hana thaupubiram basing asibu ikai khumnaba uchenabagi tanjadu lauzari L. Premchand. Mathangda ikai khumnajariba Y. Nageshwar, Under Secretary.
Thagachari Mathangda Kausinjari T.H. Jugeshwar, Section Officer.
Ikai khumnajariba T.H. Jugeshwar, Section Officer. Thagachari ikai khumnajariba Sri L. Nandakumar Singh, IAS, Director of Education S. Mathangda Kausinjari ikai khumnajariba A. Navachandra, ASO.
Achamba khudol asi tambinabagidamagta ngasigi pampamlang election biriba Sri Almangi Singh, Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur bu nolok na hangachari. Mathangda Kausinjari Y. Lokendro, Deputy Secretary.
Ikai khumnajariba Deputy Secretary Y. Lokendro.
Thagachari Oja Almangi Singh, Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur. Mathangda Kausinjage R.K. Jasobanta, UDC. Achamba khudol asi tambinabagidamagta Sri S. Jitalnal Sharma, Deputy Secretary, Academics, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur bo nolok na hangachari.
Ikai khumnajariba R.K. Jasobanta, UDC. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi hana thaugai kya pubiramba ikai khumnajariba R.K. Jasobanda, UDC. Mathangda Kausinjari A. Chandramani, UDC. Ikai khumnajariba A. Chandramani, UDC. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi maikaidagi achamba lengyan calendar amadi dari khudol tamjaraga ikai khumnaba uchari ikai khumnajariba A. Chandramani, UDC. Mathangda Kausinjari Khetramayum Navachandra, ASO. Khetramayum KSH Navachandra, KH Navachandra. KH Navachandra, ASO. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi maikaidagi achamba khudol tamjari
Mathangda Kausinjari K. Manglem, Under Secretary.
Ikai khumnajariba K. Manglem, Under Secretary.
Thagachari Mathangda Kausinjari K. Dhamenti, Joint Secretary.
Ikai Khumna Jariba K. Dhamenti, Joint Secretary. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Thaugai Pobiramba Ikai Khumna Jariba K. Dhamenti. Mathangda Ikai Khumna Jariba K. Romes, UDC. Ikai Khumna Jariba Hanagi Thau Pubiramba R.K. Mohen Sana. Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Maikai Degi Achamba Lengyan Calendar Diary Khudol Tamjaraga Ikai Khumna Ba Uchari.
Thagachari
Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Hana Thau Pubiramba Singh Ikai Khumna Ba Uchakraba Tungda
Thauramasi Maka Chathazarak Poina HSLC examination the Makok Mathang Taraba Satra Satri Singda Donor Singna Kat Pirakpa Dugumba Award Sing Makatana Lanthokna Gitanja Dulauzake Ahan Bada K. Gauro Singh Amadi Shrimati Amusana Devi Memorial Cash Award. Hairiba award asida cash award oina lupa lising taret amadi citation Hairiba award asi nupi mahiroi rank khwaidagi wangba nupi mahiroi da lanthok pikadaba adugumba manane mathangda second female student in the order of rank of the result masina anishuba nupi mahiroi adugumba mahiroi aduda lupa lising tarukaloina ba citation Amadi, first male student in the order of the rank of the result ki matug inna piba dugumba award asida lupa lising mga galoy na ba citation yauri. Mana si bukat pirakpa laikhiraba konjengbam gauro singi oiba Tentak pa warol karadang miyam da thamjake. K. Gauro Singh, First Official Education Minister Manipur ki Interim Council lising magachamapan ni fugatare tagina lising magachamapan ni nipan fauba pubirame. Amadi Founding Principal Diam College oina lising magachamapan ni fugataruk. Amadi First Local Manipuri Headmaster Johnston High School da lising magachamapan kuntraga nipandagi lising magachamapan yangkay ganito'y fauba. Inspector of School Manipur oina lising magachamapan yangkay ganito'y dagina lising magachamapan yangkay gataruk fauba. Ahan bada SSLC examination listing ani Kungani thoida second position tarakraba Tanik Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson, Amadi Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolban Tera Lukram Lairak Heritage Convent. Magna Funkiba Mark 585. Ahan Bamana, first female student in the order of the rank of the result as Ilawinabagidamakta Tanik Tongbram Bu stage ta Kaukachari. Amadi mana silanthok pinabagidamakta donor singi imung manung mafam asida langkhat pirakna banolok na kausinjari.
Sri K. Gauro Singh and Srimati Amusna Devi Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted in 1989 in honor and memory of late K. Gauro and his wife, late Srimati Amusna Devi, by their sons, daughters and grandchildren. Sri Konjengbam Gauro Singh, popularly known as Konjeng Gauro, was born in 1900. He joined Johnston High School, Imphal, as an assistant teacher on October 12, 1925, and was promoted to headmaster in 1938. He was the first official education minister in the interim council Manipur from August 14, 1947 to November 29, 1948. He was appointed inspector of schools on June 1, 1952, and retired from service on February 1, 1956. Late Sri Gauro was not only a pioneer of education in Manipur, but also a social activist. He passed away in 1976. The award is given to 3 students, a cash award of Rs 7,000 and a citation to the first female student in the order of the rank of the result. Tanik Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolbantera Lukram Lerek of Heritage Convent, Uripog, and she secured 585 mark out of 600.
Mathangda Kausinjage, second female student in the order of the ranks of the result, Sri K. Gauro Singh Madi Srimati Amusana Devi Memorial Cash Award asi Lawinabagidamakta Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Hais Shyamo Singh Amadi Hais Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Laikai, Eureka Academy Thaunauzam, Mahagna Funkiba Markna 584.
Eureka Academy Thaunauzamgi Mahiroi Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Aisyamo Singh and H. Jamuna Devi of Kaira Kongnang Laikai, and she secured 584 marks out of 600. A cash award of Rs 6,000 and a citation to the second female student in order of the ranks of the result. Mathangda Kausinjari Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Laishram Ombi, Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakatil Catholic School, Kanchipur, and he secured 586 mark out of 600. A cash award of Rs 5,000 and a citation. And he is the first male student in order of the rank of the result. Mathangda Kaukhachari Zesia Khwairakpam, daughter of Khwairakpam Hilary Singh and R.K. Banisana Devi of Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi, Ratan Kumar Memorial School, Kwakaithel Haino Khongnembi. She secured 584 mark out of 600.
Thagachari. Mathangda Kavi Khwairakpam Chauba and Priyalaima Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted in 1993 in honor and loving memory of late Kavi Khwairakpam Chauba by his daughter Srimati K.H. Nungshitombi. Sri Chauba needs no introduction. He was not only a pioneer of Manipuri literature, but also a devoted teacher. He passed away in 1950 at the age of 47. The title of Sahitya Ratna was conferred on him in 1948. The award, consisting of rupees 5,000 and a citation, is given to the student who passes the HSLC examination in the first division and secures the highest mark in Manipuri. If more than one student secure the same highest mark, the award will be given to the student who secured the highest mark in aggregate. Hairiba Manasi Fangbigadaba Menaka Huidrom of Eureka Academy Thaunauzam, daughter of Haisyamo Singh and Haish Jamuna, Devi of Kairak Kongnang Laikai, Mahakna Fangkiba Markna Manipuri subject asida, Chamagi Manungda Marifutara Mapan, 99 out of 100. Mana asi lanthok pinabagidamagta donor gi imong manungsing na stage talangkat pirak na ba nolog na kausinjari. Amadi Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Haishyamo Singh and Haish Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Laikai, Eureka Academy Thaunauzam Busu stage ta kaukachari.
Kabi Khwairakpam Chauba and Priyalaima Memorial Cash Award asilobi nabagidamagta kausinjari Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Aisyamo Singh and H. Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Laikai, Eureka Academy Thaunauzam. Menaka Huidrom gidamagta mayamdagi ahoba kuba matang nizari. She secured 99 marks out of 100 in Manipuri.
Mathangda Ilangbam Bokul Singh and Lakshi Devi Memorial Cash Award. Hairiba Award asi Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh Amadi, Sana Hanbi Devi of Kwakaichel, Catholic School Kanchipur, Mahakna Mathematics subject the Funkiba mark na 100 out of 100.
Elangbam Bokul Singh and Lakshi Devi Memorial Cash Award. This award was instituted in 1994 in honor and memory of late Sri Elangbam Bokul and late Srimati Lakshi Devi of Kaisamthong, Elangbam Laikai, Imphal by their sons, daughters and grandchildren. Hairiba mana si lanthok pinabagidamagta donor gi imong manungsing stage sa lengkhat pirak na banolog na kausinjari. Sri Bokul was a devoted teacher who had a great love for mathematics. He passed away in 1993 at the age of 93. Srimati Lakshi Devi led a pious life. Although not much educated, she took great care for the education of her children. The government of Manipur honored her with the Best Mother Award in 1975 in recognition of her contributions in molding the careers of her children. She passed away in 2001 at the age of 93. The award, consisting of a cash award of rupees 5,000 and a citation, is given to the student who passes the HSLC examination in the first division and secure the highest mark in mathematics. Thank you so much. Mathangda
Paije Literature Society Award. Hairiba Award Silowigadaba Ruby Jingtan Lun, daughter of G. Thangchinlian and Jingzakim, Little Angel School, Lamfelpat, Mahang na Funkiba mark na 197 out of 100. Hairiba Award sila winabagidamagta Ruby Jingtanlun amadi Hairiba mana sigi donor gi imong manungsing stage talengkat pirak na ba nolog na kausinjari.
Paite Literature Society Award. The award was instituted in 1996 by the Paite Literature Society, Manipur, to encourage students who offer Paite as their MIL paper. The award, consisting of a cash award of Rs 5,000 and a citation, is given to the student who passes the HSLC examination in the first division and secure the highest mark in Paite. Award asibu pangbiriba Ruby Jingtianlun of Little Angel School, Lamphilpat, and she secured 97 mark out of 100 in Paite.
Thank you so much. Mathang asidi my mom Ongbi Tampak Devi Memorial Cash Award. Hairiba mana sina Carolina Yumnam, daughter of Yumnam Dhanabir Singh and Yumnam Ahila Bai Devi of Pishumthong Oinam Laikai of Little Flower School, Imphal. Mahagna Fangkiba mark asina 99 out of 100 in social science. Hairiba mana asilanthok pinabagidabakta award asigi donor stage at Langkhat Piraknaba Nolok na Kausinjari.
My Mom Ongbi Tampak Devi Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted in 2000 in memory of late Srimati My Mom Ongbi Tampak Devi by her son, My Mom Homeshwar, and daughters. Srimati Tampak Devi was also born on October 21, 1920, associated herself with various activities concerning education of children in Manipur. She passed away on April 16, 2000. The award, consisting of a cash award of Rs 5,000 and a citation.
Donor Singi imong manung mafam asida laijadra haina lauraga ngasigidai selection biriba former legal advisor Board of Secondary Education Manipur amadi senior advocate Manipur High Court Shri Irom Lalit Kumar Singh bu nolok na kausinjari.
My Mom Ongbi Tampak Devi Memorial Cash Award goes to Carolina Yumnam, daughter of Yumnam Dhanabir Singh and Yumnam Ahilawai Devi of Pisumthong, Oinam Laikai. She secured 99 out of 100 in social science.
Thagachari Mathangasidi Arambam Ibungotomcha Memorial Cash Award. Hairiba Mana Sigidamag Lyrican Bam Laikai High School Masida Award Asida Lishing Mangagaloina ba citation Yauri Lyrican Bam Laikai High School gi representative Amahekta na mapam Masida Langkhat Piraktuna Hairiba Award Asi Lawina ba Nolokna Ningshingjari Amadi Award Asi Bukutsina na Bagidamakshu Award Asi gi donor gi mong manungsing Nolokna Kausinjari.
Arambam Ibungotomcha Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted in 2000 by Sri Arambam Santosh Kumar Singh in honor and memory of his father, late Sri Ibungotomcha Singh. Sri Ibungotomcha was a Darbar member and the first finance minister of Manipur.
School asigi representative amana mafam asida Langkhat Piraktuna award asi lawbinaba nolok na kausinjari.
Arambam Ibungotomcha Memorial Cash Award lawbinabagidamagta kausinjari any representative of Lyricangbam Laikai High School. And the prize consists of Rs 5,000 and citation.
Thagachari Mathangasidi Captain Komdram Satish Kumar Singh Memorial Cash Award. award asibu Lawigadaba Shed Sadia, daughter of MD Muzibur Rahman and Rahmani of Ketri Mayay Laikai, Lairigenbam Laikai High School, Mahagna Funkiba Markna 546.
Captain Khomdram Satish Kumar Singh Memorial Cash Award. And this award goes to Said Sadia, daughter of Muhammad Muzibur Rahman and Rahmani of Khetri Mayalekai, Larikengbam School, High School. And she secured 546 mark out of 600. This prize consists of rupees 5,000 and a citation. The award was instituted in 2002 by Sri Khomdram Ibocha Singh and Srimati Hizam Ningol Khomdram Ombi Mema Devi of Haubam Marak Irom Laikai, Imphal, and loving memory of dear son Captain Satish Kumar Singh. Born on October 9, 1975 as a third child of his parent, Captain Satish Kumar was a bright student who held the 20th position in the HSLC examination 1991 and the 18th position in the HSSLC examination 1993. Said Sadia gidamagta mayamdagi hobokubaman tanganizari.
Thagachari Mathangasidi Ilangbam Lairen Singh and Ibemhal Debi Memorial Cash Award. High Award Sigidamag Geneva Kangembam, daughter of KH Vidya Chandra Singh and KH Ongbi Janeshwari Devi of Kumbi Leraka Choba. BK Golden Academy Kumbi Mahagna Funkiba Mark na 100 out of 100 in English subject.
Elangbam Lairen Singh and Ibemhal Devi Memorial Cash Award, and this award goes to Geneva Kagembam, daughter of KH Vidya Chandra Singh and KH Ongbi Janeshwari Devi of Kumbi Lerak Achoba of BK Golden Academy Kumbi. She secured 100 out of 100 in English subject. The award was instituted in 2006 in honor and loving memory of late Sri Elangbam Lairen and Srimati Ibemhal Devi by their sons and daughter Sarvasri E. Yaima, E. Sonamani, E. Kunjakeshwar and Dr. E. Nandini Devi. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 5,000 and a citation.
Thagachari Mathangasidi Dr. Ningthem Cha Ongbi Soibam Bino Debi Memorial Cash Award. High River Award Sigidamak Tanik Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson Amadi Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolbantera Lukram Lairak Heritage Convent Uripok Mahagna Science Subject Funkiba Mark Asina 98 out of 100. High River Award Sigidamak Donor Gimung Manung Singh stage the Lankat Pirakna Banolog Nako Sinjari Amadi Tanik Stongbram Busu stage the Lankat Pirakna Banolog Nako Sinjari.
Dr. Ningthem Jaongbi Soibam Bino Devi Memorial Cash Award. For this award goes to Tanex Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolbantera Lukram Lera of Heritage Convent Uripok. She secured 98 out of 100 in science subject.
High Bamana Silantok Pinabagidamakta Ngasigi from Pamlang the Lengshin Bideba, former legal advisor, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur Amadi, senior advocate, Manipur High Court Suoi Biriba, Sri Irom Lalit Kumar Singh Bot Nolok Nakaw Sinjari.
Dr. Ningthem Jaongbi Soibam Bino Devi Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted in 2006 in loving memory of Dr. Ningthem Jaongbi Soibam Bino Devi by her husband R.K. Ranjit and their son.
Mathangasidi Hemam Nilamani Memorial Award. Award Asigidamak Eureka Academy Thaunauzam School Asina Manasi Fangbigani. Hairiba award asida lupa lising tara amadi citation yauri. Hairiba Best School Award asigidamag Eureka Academy Thaunawzamgi representative ama stage asida lengkhat piraknaba noluk na kausinjari amadi award asigi donor gi mung manung shingsu stage ta lengkhat piraknaba nolung na kausinjari. The award was instituted in 2007 in honor and memory of late Hemam Nilamani Singh by his sons, daughter and grandchildren, born on July 10, 1912 at Moirang, Sri Nilamani, who was a social activist, lovingly known as a freedom fighter. He joined the Indian National Army, founded by Netaji Subhash Chandra Bose during World War II.
The award consisting of rupees 10,000 and a citation. Best School Gimana Laukraba Eureka Academy Thaunawzam.
Mathanga City Home Science Excellence Award Hairiba Manasi Laubigadaba Marim Ahoila Chote, daughter of M. Ashibo Chote and M.K. Tinhoi Chote of Purum Chongbang Village. St. Paul School, Liwa Chaning, Mahang na fangkiba mark na 99 out of 100 in Home Science subject.
Home Science Excellence Award ki damagda Marim Ahoila Chote, daughter of M. Ashibo Chote and M.K. Tinhoi Chote of Purum Chumbang Village. The award was instituted in 2007 by the Manipur Home Science Association to encourage the learning of home science in Manipur. Home Science Excellence Award ki donor laibiragadi stage na lengkhat piraknaba nuluk na hanggatchari. Donor laktri haina lauzaraga ngasigi Home Science Excellence Award. The award goes to Marim Ahoila Chote. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 5,000 and a citation. Marim Ahoila Chote gi damagta mayamdagi hauba kuba matang nizari.
Mathanga City Irengbam Brajagopal Memorial Cash Award Hairiba Award asida Award asi Satra ahumda lanthokani ahanbada Cash Award Lopalising Taret amadi citation ga Loinaba Award Hairiba Award asi HSLC examination da first position gi mafam kalliba Satra adu da lanthok pigani Mathangda second position gi mafam kalliba Satra aduda Cash Award Lupalising Taruk amadi citation lanthokani amadi third position gi mafam kalliba Satra aduda Cash Award Lupalising mga galoinaba citation lanthok pigani Hairiba Award asigidamag first position gi mafam kalliba Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaitel Catholic School Kanchipur. Mahang na fangkiba mark na 586. Mana si lantok pinabagidamagta award asigi donor gi imong manungsing lengkat pirak na ba noluk na kausinjari amadi Rahul Laishram busu stage ta kausinjari.
Irengbam Brajagopal Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted on February 14, 2008 by Srimati I. Pramodini Devi, Srimati I. Binodini Devi and Sri I. Joy Kumar Singh in loving memory of dear father let Irengbam Brajagopal Singh of Singzamai Wangma Kongba Road. Imphal is to encourage and felicitate students to strive for higher academic excellence. The award is given to 3 students, a cash award of rupees 7,000 and a citation to the student who ranked first. And the first person to rank first is Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaitel of Catholic School, Kanchipur. He secured 586 mark out of 600.
Mathangda second position gi mafam kalliba Nongmaithem Dhanajit, son of Nongmaithem Somerendra Singh and Khoirom Kripamei Devi of Khurai Haikrumakong, Heritage Convent, Uripok, mahakna fangkiba mark na 585. Hairiba, a cash award of 6,000 and citation to the students who ranked second, Manasi, Satra, Anida, Nongmaithem Dhanajit Amadi Tanik Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolbantera, Lukram Lairak Heritage Convent, Uripok, Satra Aniasida Hairiba Manasi Lantok Pigane. Thagachari, Manasigidamak Tanik Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolbantera, Lukram Lairak, Heritage Convent, Uripok Pusu State Kausinjari.
Thagachari, ahum shiba position da Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Aisyamo Singh and H. Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Lekai of Urikai Academy, Thongnozam, and she secured 584 mark out of 600. Amadi ahum shiba position da Kaliba Jesya Khwairakpam, daughter of Khwairakpam Hilary Singh and R.K. Vanisana Devi of Kwakaitel, Haino Khongnembi, of Ratan Kumar Memorial School, Kwakaitel, Haino Khongnembi, and she secured 584 mark out of 600. Irengbam Brajakomal Memorial Cash Award goes to Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Aisyamo Singh and Ais Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Lekai of Urikai Academy, Thongnozam. She secured 584 mark out of 600. Mathangda Kausinjari Jesya Khwairakpam, daughter of Khwairakpam Hilary Singh and R.K. Vanisana Devi of Kwakaitel, Haino Khongnembi. Ratan Kumar Memorial School, Kwakaitel, Haino Khongnembi ki Mahiroi Jesya Khwairakpam. Ahum shiba position takraba, a cash award of rupees 5,000 and a citation to the student who ranked third.
Thagachari, Mathangda Pu Thangkhopau Kipgen Memorial Cash Award, Hairiba Award C, Hoinei Choi, daughter of Kamkholal Baifai and Ngaikim of Kamkailon, HM English High School, Sisipurda, Hairiba Mana Silawigani, Mahangna Fangkiba Mark na 99 out of 100 in Thado Kuki. Hairiba Mana Sigidamak, Donor Gimung Manungsing, states that Lankat Pirakna Banolok na Kokshinjari.
Pu Thangkopau Kipgen Memorial Cash Award goes to Hoinei Joy, daughter of Kamkholal Baifai and Ngai Kim of Kamkailon. HM English High School, Churachandpurgi, Mahiroi. Hoinei Joy, daughter of Kamkholal Baifai and Ngai Kim of Kamkailon. She secured 99 out of 100 in Thadokuki. The award was instituted in 2008 in loving memory of late Thangkopau Kipgen by his son Sekho Kipgen, IFS, former ambassador of India. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 5,000 and a citation.
Mathangasidi Thokchom Birahari Singh Memorial Cash Award, Hairiba Award C, Satra Anida Lanthok Pigani, Ahanbada Cash Award, Lupalising Mangagaloy na ba citation, Hairiba Mana si HSLC examination da, Khwaidagi Magwang na Fanglakpa, Satra Aduda Lanthok Pigadabani, Amadi, Anishuba Award, Lupalising Mangagaloy na ba, citation, Mana asina HSLC examination da khwaidagi mark yamna fanglakpa nupi satra aduda lanthokadabani. Hairiba award asi ahanbada Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Laishram Ongbi Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaichal of Catholic School Kanchipur da Lantok Bigani Amadi Tanix Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagol Bantera Lukram Lairak Heritage Convent Uripok da Lantok Bigani. Mana si Lantok Pinabagidamakta ngasi award asigi donor gimung manungsing stage selangkat birak na banoluk na kaushinjari.
Thokchom Birahari Singh Memorial Cash Award. And the award goes to Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Laishram Ombi, Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakatel of Catholic School, Kanchipur, and Tanex Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolban Tera, Lukram Lerag. The award is given to two students, a cash award of Rs 5,000 and a citation. To the male student who ranks highest in order of rank of the result of HSLC examination.
Mathangda Kausinjage Tanix Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolban Tera, Lukram Lairak of Heritage Convent Uripok.
The award was instituted in 2010 in honor and memory of Sri Thokchom Birahari Singh by his wife, sons and daughter. A cash award of Rs 5,000 and a citation.
Mathangda K. Birendra Memorial Cash Award Hairiba Award asi Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Laishram Ongbi Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaichal of Catholic School Kanchipurna mana asi mathematics subject da subject topper oina 100 out of 100 phangbagidamak hairiba mana asi phangbigani. Award asigi donor amadi Rahul Laishram busu stage da langkhat birakna banoluk na kausinjari.
K. Birendra Memorial Cash Award goes to Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Laishram Ongbi Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaitel of Catholic School Kanchipur. He secured 100 out of 100 in mathematics subject.
Hairiba mana si lanthok pinabagidamakta donor gimung manungsing mafam asida laibiragadi stage da lengkhat birakna ba noluk na kausinjari. Donor gimung manungsing laizadra haina lauzaraga ngasi from lang da lengshin biriba former legal advisor Board of Secondary Education Manipur amadi senior advocate Manipur High Court so oibiriba Sri Irom Lalit Kumar Singh bu noluk na kausinjari.
The award was instituted in 2011 in honor and memory of late Sri K. Birendra Singh by his family member K. Trimayum Memcha Devi, Dr. K. Rekha Devi, Dr. K. Victoria Devi, and Dr. K. Shole Maitai of Wangkai Angomlekai, Imphal to encourage students to study mathematics.
Mathangda Lanthok Pikadeva Award Pukrambam Jugindro Memorial Cash Award Hairiba Award asigidamaktashu Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaichal Catholic School Kanchipurda Hairiba manasi Lanthok Bigani. Hairiba Award asigidamak donor gimung manungsing mapamasida laibiragadi stage talangkat birakna banoluk na kaushinjari.
Pukrambam Jugendro Memorial Cash Award.
Mafam asida donor gimung manungsing laizadra haina lauraga ngasigi thauram asigi gas of honor oina lengshin biriba Sri L Nandakumar Singh IAS Director of Education as Government of Manipur bu award asilanthok pinaba noluk na hangachari.
The award was instituted in 2010 in loving memory of late Sri Pukrambam Jugendro Singh by his wife Srimati Pukrambam Ongbi Laisom Ningol Ibempisak Devi to encourage male students. The award consisting of a cash award of Rs 5,000 and a citation. Rahul Laishram ki damangta mayam de yahoba kubam nizari.
Mathangda Saugrak Pam Munal and Ibempisak Memorial Cash Award Hairiba award asigidamak Mongjam Kanila Devi, daughter of Mongjam Basanta Singh and Ashem Rita Devi of Kwakaitel Laishram Laikai, Little Flower School Imphal na Hairiba mana silawbigani. Mana asigidamak donor imung manungsing laibiraga districta lengkhat birak na banolok na kausinjari.
Saugrakpam Munal and Ibem Pesak Memorial Cash Award goes to Mongjam Kanila Devi, daughter of Mongjam Basanta Singh and Asem Rita Devi of Kwakatel Laishram Laikai of Little Flower School, Imphal. She secured 575 mark out of 600.
Hairiba mana si lanthok pinabagidamagta ngasigi pamhamlangda lengshin biriba Tauramapu oina lengshin biriba Sri Akam Joy Kumar Singh, Chairman, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur bu nolukna kausinjari.
The award was instituted in honor and memory of late Saugrakpam Munal and late Srimati Saugrakpam Ombi Ibampisak Devi of Singzamai Tongam Laikai, Imphal West, by their son Sri S. Kunjabihari Singh and family. The award consisting of cash of rupees 6,000 and a citation.
Mathangda Mutum Radheshyam and Mutum Ongbi Ibem Chobi Devi Memorial Award. Hairiba Award asisu Satra Anida Ikhoina lanthok kani. Ahanba Award asina a cash award of 10,000 and a citation to the student who passed the ISSLC examination in first division and secures the highest mark in mathematics. Mathangi Anishuba award asisu a cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation to the student who passes the ISSLC examination in first division and secures the highest mark in science. Hairiba mana sigidamak ahanbada Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaital Catholic School, Kanchipur. Amadi Tanix Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolban Tera Lukram Lairak Heritage Convent Uripok Tat Lanthok Pigani.
Mutum Radheshyam and Mutum Ongbi Ibem Chobi Devi Memorial Award. The award is given to two students, a cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation to the student who passes the HSLC examination in first division and secures the highest mark in mathematics. Mathangda Kausinjari Tanix Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagolbantera Lukram Lerag of Heritage Convent Uripog. She secured 585 mark out of 600. A cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation to the student who passes the HSLC examination in first division and secures the highest mark in science.
Mathangda Thokchom Birahari Singh and led Thokchom Ongbi Momon Devi Memorial Cash Award. Hairiba award si Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaitel Catholic School, Kanchipurda mana asi lanthokani. Hairiba award sigidamak donor gi mung manungsing laibiragadi stage ta langkhat pirak na banolok na kausinjari.
Lanthokchari Thokchom Birahari Singh and led Thokchom Ongbi Momon Devi Memorial Cash Award. Lobigadori Basana Rahul Laishram, son of Laishram Prem Kumar Singh and Sanahanbi Devi of Kwakaitel. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 11,111 and a citation.
Thagachari Mathangda Yengkhom Thokchom Ningol Yangkokpam Ongbi Vani Devi Memorial Cash Award. Hairiba award asibu laubigadaba Said Sadia, daughter of MD Muzibur Rahman and Rahmani of Khetri Mayai Laikai. Lyric Genbam Laikai High School, Mahakna Fangkiba mark 546.
Larikingbam Laikai High School gi Mahiroi, Said Sadia, daughter of Muhammad Muzibur Rahman and Rahmani of Ketri Maya Laikai da Lanthok Chari, Tokchom Ningol, Yengkokpam Ongbi, Bani Devi Memorial Cash Award. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation.
Thagachari Mathang Lanthok Pigadaba Award led PH Sumati Bala Devi Memorial Home Science Cash Award High Riba Award Sifang Bigadaba Marim Ahoila Chote, daughter of M. Ashibo Chote and M. Ketin Hoi Chote of Purum Chumbang Village of St. Paul School, Liwa Chaning. Mahang na Home Science subject of Funkiba mark 99 out of 100. Award si Lanthok pinabagidamakta donor gi mung manungsing amadi Marim Ahoila Chote busu stage that nolok na kausinjari.
Led PH Sumati Bala Devi Memorial Home Science Cash Award goes to Marim Ahoila Chote, daughter of M. Ashibo Chote and M.K. Tinhoi Chote of Purum Chumbang Village of St. Paul's English School, Liwa Changning. And she secured 99 out of 100 in home science subject. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation.
Thagachari Mathangasidi Wahengbam Sorojuni Devi Memorial Cash Award High Riba Award si Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Haishyamo Singh and Hais Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Laikai, Eureka Academy, Thaunauzamna, Computer Science subject asida, subject topper in 100 out of 100 Fangbagidamag, Mana Asi Fangbigani. High Riba Award Asigidamag, Donor Gimung Manungsing, Laibiragadi stays the Lankat Pirak na Banolok na Ningsing Jari.
Eureka Academy Thaunauzam gi Mahiroi, Menaka Huidrom, daughter of Aishyamo Singh and H. Jamuna Devi of Kairak Kongnang Laikai da Lanthok Chari, Wahengbam Sorojini Devi Memorial Cash Award. The award was instituted this year 2015 in loving memory of late Srimati Wahengbam Sorojini Devi by her son, Dr. Nongthombam Jitendra Singh. The award consisting of a cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation. Menaka Huidrom Gidamagta Mayamdagi Hoba Kubamatang Nizari.
Mathangda led Furailat Pamningol Gurumayum Ongbi Tarun Bala Devi Memorial Cash Award High Riba Manasi Fangbigadaba Tanik Tongbram, daughter of Tongbram Robinson and Tongbram Punam Devi of Sagol Bantera Lukram Lairag, Heritage Convent Uripok. Manasigidamag Donor Gimung Manungsing se Selengkat Pirak na Banolok na Kaushinjari. The award was instituted this year, 2015, in loving memory of led Srimati Furailat Pamningol, Gurumayum Ongbi Tarun Bala Devi by her sons and daughter, and the award consists a cash award of rupees 10,000 and a citation.
Thagachari, Mathangda Lanthok Chari, led Kumari and Aruna Devi Memorial Award. Award asibo Fangbigadoriba sana Ideal Blind School gi Mahiroi, Haisnam Herina Devi, daughter of H. Devachandra Singh and T.H. Santhalembi Devi of Elangbam Laikai Lerak Macha. Let Kumari and Aruna Devi Memorial Award. Award asigi donor lebiragadi stage sa lengshin biraknaba nolokna hangatchari amadi award asibu fangbikadoriba Haisnam Herina Devi, daughter of H. Devachandra Singh and T.A. Santhalembi Devi of Elangbam Laikai Lerakmacha. Any representative lebiragadi stage sa lengshin biraknaba nolokna hangatchari. Let Kumari Nongthombam Aruna was born in 1987 at Nagamapal, Kangzabi, Mainam Laikai. She was fifth child of N. Komai Singh and N. Shyama Devi. The award, consisting of Rs 10,000 and a citation, is presented to the student who passed and secures first amongst the visually handicapped students in the high school living certificate examination. Lanthokchari Let Kumari and Aruna Devi Memorial Award the Haisnam Herina Devi, daughter of H. Devachandra Singh and T.A. Santhalembi Devi of Elangbam Laikai Lerakmacha.
Thagachari Thauramasi Makachazarakpoina Board of Secondary Education Manipur na Lanthokpa Dugumlavomana Sri C.H. Iboyaima Singh Under Secretary da Manasi Lanthokani Hairiba Manasi Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Thabak Thauram Singh da Thawayauna Amadi Isagi Laijaba Singh Hotnaduna Thamoi Singh na thabak tawbagi damakta adugumba lanthokpa Board of Secondary Education Manipur na lanthokpiba manani hairiba manasi laubinaba Sri C.H. Iboyaima Singh Under Secretary amadi manasibu lanthokpinabagi damakta ngasi famhamlangda lengshinbiriba Deputy Secretary Board of Secondary Education Manipur Dr. S. Mangijau Singh na manasi lanthokpinaba nolokna kausinjari. Secretary Board of Secondary Education Manipur
Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi Golden Jubilee Celebration ga mari lainana achamba khudol tamjari. Thagachari ngasigi thauramasi makha chatharakpoina ngasigi guest of honor gi phampham da lengshin biriba ikai khumna jariba Sri L. Nandakumar Singh IAS Director of Education S Government of Manipur na ngasigi Board of Secondary Education Manipur na chahi yangkhai surakpaga mari lenana wafam kharadang thambinaba nolokna hangatchari.
Board of Secondary Education Manipur ki Golden Jubilee Celebration Amadi Annual Prize Distribution Function 2020 ki Chief Guest ki Phambam Lang de Lengshin Biramba koi pumnamak pu lamjing lamtak piramba Honorable Minister Education Law and Legislative Affairs Government of Manipur Mingwaina Panjarabada Sri T.H. Basanta Kumar Singh Sarbu Aikoi gi irakta leijadraga su ikai kumnabu chari Department asigi Commissioner Education oina thaupubiba Sir S. Gyan Prakash Singh Guest of Honor gi Phambam Lang lengshin biramba ikai kumna buchari Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi chairman gi thau pubiriba aduga ngasi gi function asigina president gi fam pubiriba Sri Akham Joykumar Singh sarbusu ikai kumna buchari das the fambiriba VIP ikai kumna buchari Board of Secondary Education Manipur gi tongan ba fam paibiramba official sing hauzik fam paibiriba official sing prize winners parents amadi media gi chile naw pumna ma ikai kumna buchari ihanan ba mat ihanan boina aina prize winners awardees isal isa pumna makbu aina congratulate tawjari amadi tungi punsi da su afaba mai pakpa miyo amo oirak sungsoi soidena oirakani haibagi saruba asa thamjari haiba wafamsi thamjage tawbutabu aina thamjaning ma wafam amadi let us not get carried away with these rewards and recognitions because there is a saying in English which goes like a journey of 1,000 miles starts from a single step. Class 10 ki board ki parika hai basiti it is just like a single step of a thousand mile journey. Aikoina class 10 ki makha da lyric tamingai da high school ki level la lyric tamingai da aikoina uri isi class 10 ki board ki parika da mark phangma gaktane ba beyond that karim ura lakte ba tabu class 10 ki pass over lower kan da lerami ba 11 12 se seasonal life ki di hena decisive factor am oirame ba aikoigi matam da su aikoigi contemporary plus 1 2 plus minus 1 2 da position holder mayam aikoigi board tagi di position holder oina satkiba aduga 12 ta su mayam phangaga lakba or 10 da position holder oiraga 12 ta second division da pass tawgiba yaudaba nateba and this is quite possible why because lairik hai bahai base miyoi ba amagi lengdana leiba lan nateba lairik paraga hai bayai padraga di mark phangdre haitre now class 10 gi position holder oiri base masina takpadi all of you has the potential to become whatever you want in life no the potential no yaureba but now the choice is yours kari oiba pamge oiningi budu sungsoi soidana oigatra haibase masigi apam basidi noida leire haiba bafam sima I thamjaramge ai class 10 CC higher secondary dagi thai class 8 na Don Bosco da tami class 4 wauna thangi children's model academy English school amata tame 10 loiraga 11 12 Dun public school da tame 10 loiraga 10 da ikoina tamingai matamda noi position holder noi chap mane aiju class 10 gi syllabus se khangda amu yaude na khale wakhalla 11 12 la aga di am different oile rame and particularly Dun public school gi imanabi khoi gi contemporary sing do moi di am advance oile rame 10 hek loi baga moi 11 gi syllabus oi tuition da loi tho le ram bwani ai koina class 10 loiraga hati sum tawraga parika haidu en admission pat phanga satpa matam sida moi di syllabus to loiraga kana ozana kana ni zara I basida moina kon pangkom da kumakpa ai koi maitai gi di tangtai khar su oidana mayangina tangtai chu oidre tangtai oidabada natana moina yamna advance hoina sangsilamba aduna moiga cop up tawba matamda koina lyric tamgibagi koigi life da aidagi wana kanna hotnegi base class 11 and 12 aduga class 11 and 12 kanna honaraga adugi concept tu fadana clear oigraba college level lagi di khanglai lai thokrani ba aikoida thengna ki bodo noi da ju sap chana thengna ni haijabagi wani aduna class 10 hek loi bage hosiki 11 12 tami ba noi gi hosiki timing se sini go khwai tagi maru oi theise Sidaida aikoigi inkhaliba angangi ngausiningba koiningba imanabaga puningba mayam ama yaurungani sidi reality ni tawbadubu madu aikoina sigi matamsida kitang control tawraga lairikta hen emphasis piraba adoi taragadi koigi satragi life sida tungda aikoina fangmado madu aikoina apam oirakpado madu oiraknabada oiranbada yamna mateng pangani haiba wafamsima thamjage. Now coming to BOSEM, aikoina hojik award mayam ama ubikre ai matam khara Board of Secondary Education ki chairman oijarami aina chairman oiringai matamduda hojik award lawriba mayam se masi aikoigi donor mayam ama leirise masida natana donor oige mayam ama laeba loina accommodate tawngam khitre. But however donor oijage donor happy oina mayam laisena taibadi aikoigi board ki credentials se credibility se kayang wange haibse masida tum utlabane aduna masigi namakta hana board ki thau pubiramba chairman oibiramba secretary oibiramba controller oibiramba board ki officials pumnamak aina congratulate tawjari moi officials mayam duna kan hotna birambadagi ngasi board ki situation je edi credentials je masi oiribani haiba wafam je thamjari amadi tungdasu aikogi board si swaina maming laina credentials yamna wangna leigani haiba asa tawjari amadi prize winners noigi tungi punsi dasu afaba mai pakpa oirakani haiba asa tawri haiba sinoina kawbi ganu haiba wafam si thamjaraga tenjage. Thank you so much.
Thagachari Thauramgi Makha Chathajarakpa oina ngasi famfamlangda lengshin biriba former legal advisor amadi advocate High Court of Manipur chu oibiriba Sri Irom Lalit Kumar Singh bu ngasigi thauram asida ten takpa warol kharadang thambinaba nolokna kaushinjari.
Mayam imbiriba mayam punupu yana maktada ikai kumna utpaga loinadana nasigi function nasigi dais lengchem miniba honorable minister education law amadi aikoigi commissioner sahib education gi adigi ujik present chairman Moza Joy Kumar the secretary and the director adi dais lengchem miniba koi board ki mayam hana board ki thau pubiramba chairman sing secretary sing other officials sing adagi icha satra sing amadi parents sing media sing puno ku aina kai puno chari ai thidokna haijaningai lejade adubu kitang panba yabadi aikoigi board ase yam autonomous amo oina leirakpa sidagi ngasi di satra kaya ama board sina sumain tawna guide torokna angang singi turning point se si hanba career ma sembagi yam symbolic certificate ni ngasi piri bising se ana board ki function se yam maru oi haina aina khanjabaga loina na function si yaujabani ai accept taujabani yam maru oi gi haibada angang sing ase masi moi masa gi ta seng wakhan khanba ngamdriba oja amadi parent board maya amana guide toraga makoi ngasi gi competition amagi atmosphere create ton mangam base sine aina thagachabadi life sida competition ama ise barabar leirabani anu competition sida aduma positive mind ama makhoi career ma sem namagi ngasi prize ama winner ama ne lokthok pase masi board na chahi 50 surakpada yam symbolic oiba ma oina tobungam ba pangthoiba punamak simbilami punamak puju hanna thagachari yak thoidongna hainingai lejade aduna career ama sema matamda mark yam phangi phangde haidana mark phangudaba mayam yorgasu icha inau cha sing nakhoi na madu mind toganu parikha ise CD nangi examiner duga chana rubagi makre na phangbodo adusu nangi tongan be chimeni phangouda badusu nang achievement leite hebse mon kaugno aduna nakoi tungda afaba kunai ama semna honabda nakoi as country asigi state asigi nation ama si sem na hona na khoi na lawr ka thogdang ni na competitive atmosphere mo be se positive mind ama da positive state da changa ga leba ki hori ba ma punam ki wing khudi mak na koi sewa to nga mu hai be se ai haijara ga loisin jage
Thagachari Kaikumdanjariba, former legal advisor, Board of Secondary Education Manipur and senior advocate, Manipur High Court. Mamalyam laba wafam kya thambirambagidamagta. Once again, thank you so much. Ngasigi thauramasi loshilakpaga iroinana presidential speech kudol tambinabagidamagta. Kausinjari, former associate professor and head Department of Electronics, Danamanjuri University, and Chairman of Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Ikai Khumnanjariba Sri Akham Joykumar Singh.
Anubaktada Lamdam Su Koliba Isolbu Kurumzari. Ngasigi Golden Jubilee Annual Prize Distribution 2022. Aikoi Pazaraba Auditorium Manipur State Film Development Society Palace Compound Imphal East Pangtok Pasigi Mari Lainana. I know that I pay respect to Honorable Chief Guest Sri T.H. Bajanta Kumar, Minister of Education, Manipur, and Guest of Honor Sri H. Gyan Prakash, IS Commissioner, Education, Government of Manipur, and also Sri L. Nandakumar, IS Director of Education, S. Government of Manipur, and President members, Sri Dr. S. Mangjau Singh, Secretary, Sri L. Mangesh Singh, Control of Examinations, Sri Irom Lalit Kumar Singh, Senior Advocate, High Court of Manipur, former Legal Advisor to Board of Secondary Education Manipur, Sri Jetilan, Deputy Secretary, former Chairmen, former Secretaries, former Control of Examinations, Loina Nasiki Equigi Mapung Wena Board Sipu Kai the Swigi they get an auction Karimating Pang Biriba Board Ki members sing invitee guest faculties, delegates, ladies and gentlemen, electronics media and press media Sitaba Kaduba Kaya Yorgasu Mapigani Punamoku and Kai Kunabo Seri, Nonuk Seri, Nasigi, Sukulumba, Akoigi, Sahi Yankai Surpa, Golden Jubilee, Haina, Mintonduna, Asugumba, Landmark Ama, Akoigi, Yam Sing to begin with, Mindstorama Bodki, Akoigi, Tanjado, Masi Punna Pangtok Minavangambasi, Masi Isona Sanbibani, Akoigi Sumathorumbasi, 1972 the established organ 2022 Sida Say Yankai Park Pani Adobu 22 Gim Manunda Pangtok Sanaba Honor Zabada Asin Bakaya Kayimbat Town Pangtokoda Upon Bakaya Katang Toki Badegi Katang Taijaraga 2023 Horkosida Pangtok Sere Masidomo to Sumayana upon a woman of beginning. I quay Masiki Sukulba Pangsanasi Pangtok Sana of Hanavada, a quay organizer, Kayagi, a quay Ladyba, Staki, Punamukna Matin Kayapiri, Honabiri, Tawiri, Punamoxe, a quay Kagi Noctano Hina, Kona Kanzamatam Dai Quay, Sai now, Sai Su, Satar Sati, Satar Satiki, Puning Takut Nava, Tung the Mokoina Pabo work Nava, Adugumba Pandamda, Taujava, Adug Mani Hina in the Loxe. Adona ngasi amuke hena koina thogot sani badi ekoi satra sati ngasi gi prize pangbiri ba winners koidinbak akoina board ki maike dege ngamjaba asugumba akoi खरीतंग प्राइज ने पीबीरिबसे मसीगी पोटसे इंसेंटिव हाइबा पुनिंग थौगतपनी ममन नाइदे ममन याम यामदबा वैल्यू यामना लेबा लेतबा अमाउंट यामना चावबा चावदबा खनबीदना हरावना तारामना लोबी बिदंगता आयमना थागस फोंजकसरी लोइनाना मसीगी अखोइगी सुमलंबा वाखलोन सी तुंगदसु अखोइगी लेहोरिबा सात्र खुदिमंगना अखोइ सुगुंबा इंसेंटिव असे अखोइ फंगहुद्रगसु फंगमंगमनानबा वनबियु वनबिरकनी हाइना खंजै अदुगा अमना अयाना याम कन्ना थमजनिंबा अमतंगदी अखोइगी हौजिकी मतमदा मार्ककी yang hian tanaba aigi knowledge phangugera phangoroira aidi mark phangdabi yadi haibugi wakhalo nama masi leiba manba ama tatana thenei masigi process masigi chanaruna se ayagna sum thengna jabada matamamagi mamangda aikhoigi matamama metric tharpan 1976 77 gi matamda asugumna ai thokhi dabra ina khale अदुबु सही खराता आमना अथोय हेन तानबसिता अखोइगी करी हाइतारे मसिदा मकोक मथंग ओहरगदी आइ पुंसिगी अदुम सिना अदुम सेम्बा यागदबु वाखललोम द पुसनबा मतवि मदु थादुपियु ngasi सेंग हाइबा तारगदी ngasi कंपार्टमेंटेन द लाइबा सातदो आईएस ऑफिसर वे बियाउरेबा था रीजन द पास तोखिबतो कोई आईएस ऑफिसर एमएसएस ऑफिसर वे याउरिएब अदुना मसीदी आई होना जरूबगी लाइबक की हाइबसु ताई अदुना आइना थमजनी बदी अखोइगी मसीगी दाइजा लंजन हिकिबा अखोइगी ओजा गुरु कयाना wapung kayasi some details of the same are there in the space, their space. Aduna I avoid the repetition of the same. Aduna ina thamjani bidi ngasigi angang singa live ten se I calculate to all the students. Aduna masi khanbirerga ko matung tarak buda hen mai pakpa werpa mamba we you haiba mai ina amkan na iswar da pratna tawjari loinana ngasigi train se akoi punamaki state siki akoina ai haki wakhanda phaujabadi anuba ini anuba NEP 2020 haina hairibasi masigi yamna khongthang asi education da top inobunoba khongthang amani masi punobona akoi award wegina ba darkar wai maramdi akoi laibasi yam sengna hanbu maktada akoi ki regional language da like system view class hataba I phogi segi 6 phogi haibama sabsana legre madugi damakta ji akhoi state wise tongan ba magi scientific commission for scientific and akhoi terminology si kari toroge kari status lerege se akhoi state kudingmakta mari lena ba authority na hangbi rakhrabani hauji अखोई से कदाई भोग लेरी के बसे अखोई मधुगी पोतमा अखोई नैनजगिनी अखोई नसु अखोई दजु थारपो चे के आमसु लेरे लोइनाना टॉप मना अखोई से हौजिक से न्यू एजुकेशन पॉलिसी न तौरीब चैलेंज अदुगुमा रीजनल लैंग्वेज दा अंगांग से लाइक फजना ताकपीतना बुखलक्तना होनरबा सेगा इरोइ लैनाना अखोई सगी रिवोल्यूशंस ऑफ द implementations of the vocationalization in the school level. Aduna akoigi vocationalization si tobu matamda akoigi pre-vocational education habamaga vocationalizations of the education from the class 9 to 12 habamne 6 to 8 habamne. Masi secondary stage amadi higher secondary ki school stage habamne. Aduna masi ki posit fazna implement torkanda akoigi skill education vocational education and training se pirab kanda akoi ngasi gi samjalaga makoi se koina career education ha rakhanare asi pirab kanda akoi unemployment problem solve to gini job problem solve tor ko dini adugi khongthang se anoba in education policy juna sangsel ka doini adana anuba education policy je implementation je Asi kadai bhuk tawrage tawdage haibasisu lakadoriba January 23 and 24 current status suguma vocational education se kadai kadai bhuk leirge haibase aikoi online da adugumba workshop tawruna bagi potsak ama koi meeting ama punba laigre I want to see ma phangse aduna aikoi state ki oiba thakta tawgadabani state ki maru oiba department singna aikoi maru oina aikoi NCRT haibari national level da leja kare state ki oina di aikoi ACRT haiba ma leiri aduga board ki education maru oina board aduga council leiri si aikoi honorary ka laiba changes sita akoi ju tung in na ngamna na ba masi bo akoi na challenge to ba ngamu na ba khona hodar ka tan tarati akoi gi state ju sotha ba oi ho gadori bani aduna yamna maruina akoi gi asugom ba north east ki oi ba akoi gi hojik lei di ba ki Assam Manipur Nagaland jagi Arunachal Pradesh Sikkim Mizoram asini sing ba pan namak se hataki sigi sida lady bani baji aduna aikoi si lady ba koi gi chatra sachi ching lady ban makoi gi matam dadi asuguma tanja se lak pa se kwai digi hena lai ba phabani haiba se ai thamjage loina na lakadori ba sahi 2025 phogi manung da learner ki 50% de asuguma vocational education da training da skill education da value education pibiraga sanganna ba khona ba ba pandam ji sauna lehrabani akoi masita yaw ngamhuna ba sangsanna ba abai khona janingi aduna ngasi gi akoi gi board ki tabak thoram da sina aigi oji lakadu besigi wafam ni board ki tabak thoram da ngasi akoi gi government na pijaba tabak thoram chije kaya gi matik akoi gi state ki chapter aduga sub chapter waro akoi masi punabak se akoi na government ki education department as ki thau pubiri ba akoi gi mapung waina akoi honorable education minister mingwaina panjab sir Basanta Kumar loina na akoi gi sir sidala amaka chati chatu pe gare akoi commissioner Gyan Prakash IS commissioner education aduga government Manipur loina na akoi uji akoi mangda phambiriba director Sri L Nandakumar makoi gi kariguma matam da akoi na kariguma problems ma leire haibada adugi convey approval do pinana bahana pada amna thawai hoksang yauna pibirakpa aduna akoi na thawuk pangthok saba ngamjaba asugumba asi oja sing pujo yana ngamkhai leitana ina thagasari nuaijaba phongduksari aduga loina na akoi gi ngasi amukana I would like to sincerely thank all the board members for their dedicated hard work to put up the fantastic show at the office of the BOSEM in spite of the all the odds. Because yamna macho ba mating akoi da pangbi ba adugumba thorang tobi ba kya ama thena kare akoi na makoi basu kawbungam loi makoi gi laban akoi gi board ma kai de koi tonjari aduga I would like to thank all my friends and seniors who have helped me in the times of need during my tenure as chairman of the BOSEM. Thanks to all my staff members for their support. Without their support, everything could not be brought in a grand success. Alna asugumba ayakna sumba wapung kharaswai thamjani masida ayakna telba tanjasi da akoi gi hatu ngasi se sum thoaiduna laiba popuni thabaksi thoromji pangthokna roi sigi tanjasum medi khitang sangadra haidana akoi gi mathang sum han bada December 31 tamung lepam bane ado tanjana yakitadana madu yethokre January tang tok torom bane adu somuk khutong cha da pamal leibadagi tokre tarik 10 sum medi soidana yarani hadana lep khebane adu akoi gi sum thoidana akoi gi tang abo moment haiba tari matam sida in time lakpidana akoi gi honorable em masamana ai ngasidi yaudabdi yadre yaurge adu ngarang atheng bada paw amakak phangi aduna pung matam sana hausi ko hai dana pau bibir tana ngasai ayukta aidi han ba telefon pa ka bada aidi yaw nga moroi noi silo har ka do boi khalu bane ado yaw di yaw mage ado noi khatang di matam sana lapi dana to bi wana ngasi adu matam sa ba si mayam ngasi lapi ri ba khuding magna adu gumbagi mai ngak tana ngasi function ase matam sana hauba ngam jaki ba asimaksu koi bot ya soba mai papani mayam puno magna madugi सहयोग पिबीबदगी ngasi si pose akoi mayam punna yamna kari haitare thabuk sima pangthokpada mateng yam sauna pibi bai base masugumna matung dasu bot aikoi na chatkhirba su bot ki di lengdana omoron lehu kodo pot ina aikoi maduda hena mateng pisendana angang singi karida karmai torga hena phagakadegi haba lambi kara tawmina bada mateng waina ba ai aina thamjari loinana hozik isa inau sadra sati wai basingse hojikti nakoi yamna nungai re haina ina lojage maramdi ngasi di phamme phamna tumna satle sana aikoi mafam amanda leibada lairik pabi yabigi khudong jabado hojikti phangabani akoi BOSEM gi website su noina sangaga textbook sinse leirabani na textbook sidagi koina khangingba yingba paning khudimukto adum uba phangadorabani loinana aikoi sai manga taragi akoi instruction to examiner sai gi phongi bese aikoi sisu koi internet ki kuthang da web board ki website ta aikoi upload toruna ba koi plan le re tora kani adana tawia ba khaidi ahong ba kaya ma leihrabani aikoi hoji koi se karigumma ma akoi dero bat wero ming correction to wero any matang lakpa kanda aikoi board ta laktragasu internet ki kuthang da aduguba form do akoi download torga hangaga tangai phadana changdabi adaba phi thiram dai matam da laga tawgiba yanambagi labi jo koi sinjagre taboina du pangthok sare aro matung ta na koina pangthok pa yaga da thabuk kayamasu akoi pangthok sana ba koi hona jage aduga mayamna akoi sida si torgadi hena phagani haba suggestions su pbu madu akoi welcome tawjana ba koi ready da lejai adana ngasi gi sugno ba function asida akoi gi tawdabi adaba magi dt gum masai ing basu ingna indamdagi matam ja kaamda leibaida mapanda thoga nusa yaning bato adu kya phawrabsu si khanga leibidi bise masigi asauba koi gi tawimana ina kaujaroi asi loina sugumba function ase matung da su tek takai na pangthopa ngamba orisno haibaga loina I matang sida tension dagi thank you all
Thagachari Shri Akham Joy Kumar Singh, Chairman Board of Secondary Education, Manipur Amadi, former Associate Professor and Head Department of Electronics, Dhanamanjuri University. Thauramasi Loishilakpagi, Board of Thanks, Warol Sithambina Bagidamakta, Ngasigi Pampamlangda Lengshin Biriba, Controller of Examination, Board of Secondary Education, Manipur, L. Mangishingbu, Stays that no look na kausinjari.
Masi yai pharaba yarmuch dungai raba historical oil amadi yarmuch significant oil raba board asigi chahi yankhai churakpagi golden jubilee celebration amdi loina na annual prize distribution function gi Thorom Masida Han Makta died Lincoln Biliba Hobjiki dai dagi tengtok pikraba ikoi bu lamjing lantak piramba tapki bangamba bingun panjarba Shri T.I. Basanta Kumar Singha, Honorable Minister, Education, Law, and the Legislative Affairs, Manipur. Hatabata, Commissioner Education, Government Manipur, Bingun Panjarbada, Asgan Prakash IAS, Director of Education AS, Government Manipur, Bingun Panjarbada, Elanda Kumar Singh IAS, Amadi, Board Ki, Chairman Obiriba, Associate Professor, Head of Department, Electric Department, DMU Oidiba, Oidamba City, Akham Joy Kumar, Chairman, Board Ki Secretary, Amadi, Board Asiki, Akoi, the Gan Advisor Obiriba, Senior Advocate, High Court Manipur, Board की डिप्टी सेक्रेटरी जितलान बोर्ड की फम पाइबिरंबा होगी चेयरमैन सेक्रेटरी कंट्रोल एग्जामिनेशन बोर्ड तक की थबते पथा फिखरबा बोर्ड की एम्प्लॉय सिंह डोनर सिंह मतम जाना इशा की चिल्लबा असिगी इंगबा मतम सिबु थतोपिदुना बोर्ड की थौरमसी तौदबी याते है खंदुना लेंबिरक्तबा दंपु आइन इसाई तरफतगी बोर्ड की तरफतगी बोर्ड की मैकैदगी हन्न थागत पोक्चरी मखा तारकपदा तुंगी एमबी ओगदरिबा टॉप 10 रैंक होल्डर सिंह मकोगी पेरेंट्स सिंह लेंबिरक्पा इकाई खमनजरिबा ओजा सिंह तुंगी इंखललिबा छात्र छात्री सिंह मरुप मपांग सिंह प्रिंट मीडिया सिंह अमदी थौरम मसिबु माय पाकनबा होनबिलिबा थौरम लांथोकपिरिबा एंकर ओइबिलिबा इचन अनि अमदी बोर्ड ऑफिशियल सिंह थौरम असि सोबे यादे माय पाकतबे यादे होनबिलिबा ऊपर के ऑफिशियल सिंहबु अगी बोर्ड की तरफतगी अमदी आई तरफतगी हन्ना थागतरी अमुकन्ना ऐन ngasi panjahudaba hanghungdabse thauba maru mapang singbusu aina amuka hanna mahi thorama sibu mai pak pahan bi bangta hanna thagatsari na amukanna thagatsari
Thagachari Ikai Khumnanchariba Controller of Examination Board of Secondary Education Manipur Ikai Khumnanchariba L Mangi Singhna Thoramgi Thagat Wahai Fongdok Pirambagi Damagta Amokahana thank you so much Loinana Ngasigi Thoramasibo Saruk Yaba Lakpiriba Amade Thoramasibo Mapung Fahan Biriba Kwai Pumnamapo Amokahana Thagat Pafongdok Chebaga Loinana Ngasi Lengsin Biriba Dignitaries Amadi President Gi Ayaba Lawzaraga Thoramasi Matang Swaida Lushinjare Pumnamakpu Pinabirasi
Thauramasi loisilakpaga iroinana HSLC examination damai paglakraba Satra Singh Amadi subject topper Singh loisilakpa sida stage sakta ngaihaktang lengkhat piraktuna photo session ama tawbugi tanja adu lauzage Amadi award singh donor singh su stage ta lengkhat piraktuna photo session asida saruk yaminana ba nolokna ningsigjari
Well, I'm telling you that I don't know if I know what to do. Say it's alright.
Satrasing stage ta lengkhat piraknaba photo session asigidamak donor sing amadi satrasing stage ta lengkhat piraknaba nolok na kausinjari.